In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply to be a Canva creator. We'll go step by step through the Canva Creator application process, starting from the main Canva Creators page, so you can see exactly where to click, what you need to prepare, and how to submit a strong application. First, open your browser and go to the link canva.com/creators. This is the official Canva Creators page. Once it loads, you'll see an overview of the Canva Creators program, what creators do, and some examples of templates, elements, and designs made by other creators. Take a quick moment to scroll through this page so you understand what Canva is looking for. From here, you want to look for the call to action button. It usually says something like apply now or become a creator. It's typically near the top of the page or appears again as you scroll down. Click that button to start your Canva Creator application. Next, Canva will ask you to log in or sign up. If you already have a Canva account, just sign in with your email, Google, Facebook, or any option you normally use. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you'll need to create one first. That's quick and free. Just follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account. Once you're logged in, Canva will bring you back into the application flow for the Canva Creator program so you can continue from there. Now you'll land on the actual Canva Creator application form. This is where you enter your details. Start by filling in your basic information, your name, country, or region, and any other required contact details. Make sure everything is accurate and written clearly because Canva uses this information to understand where you're creating from and how to contact you. Next, you may be asked about your experience level, the type of content you create, and your main creative focus. Answer these questions honestly. If you specialize in things like social media posts, presentations, printables, marketing templates, or educational resources, mention that clearly. This helps Canva understand if you're a good fit for the Canva Creator Marketplace. Now, Canva usually asks you to share links that showcase your work. This might include your portfolio, your website, your social media accounts, or any existing Canva designs if you already use Canva. Take your time here. Choose links that best represent the kind of content you want to create as a Canva creator. For example, if you want to make social media templates, link to a gallery that shows strong layouts, clean typography, and consistent branding. If you focus on education or business, share examples of worksheets, planners, or presentations. From here, make sure the links are public and easy to view so the review team can open them without any issues. Next, you may see questions about what type of creator you want to be inside Canva. Canva creators can make templates, graphics, photos, or other design assets. Select the options that match your skills and what you enjoy creating. Some applications also include a short written section where you explain why you want to be a Canva creator or how your content will help Canva users. Keep your answer clear and simple. Focus on how your designs can save users time, improve their branding, or make their content look more professional. Avoid long stories, just explain the value you can bring. Now review your application carefully before you submit it. Scroll back up and double-check your name, links, and answers. Make sure there are no broken portfolio links, no missing required fields, and that everything is written in clear, simple language. From here, once you're happy with your answers and your links look good, scroll to the bottom of the form and click the Submit button. This sends your Canva Creator application to the Canva team for review. Next, Canva will show you a confirmation message that your application has been received. You may also get a confirmation email at the address connected to your Canva account. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or promotions folder, in case any update lands there. The review time can vary depending on how many applications Canva is processing, so you might need to wait a bit. During this time, you can keep improving your design skills and even continue creating designs in your regular Canva account so you're ready if you're accepted. Once Canva reviews your application, you'll receive an email letting you know if you've been accepted into the Canva Creators program or not. If you're accepted, that email will guide you through the next steps, like setting up your creator profile and learning how to publish content to the Canva library. That's the full process of how to apply to be a Canva creator using Canva.com/creators.